Good evening, everybody. It's a very rare opportunity when some of the finest moments we are trying to extract from many people's life so that we can together talk on one of the most serious matters of this age. And that matter is nothing but uniting the whole of Asia. एक बड़ी पुरानी कहावत है कि सबके भले में अपना भला। जब सबका भला हो रहा होगा तो हमारा भला खुद ब खुद होता चला जाएगा। ऐसा हमारी पुराने संस्कार और हमारी पुरानी कहावतें कहती आई हैं और शायद यही सोचकर आज से 12 साल पहले एसोसिएशन फॉर एशियन यूनियन का गठन किया गया, जिसके करता धरता आज हमारे बीच में इस वक्त मौजूद है। Heartiest welcome to Mr. Beni Prasad Agarwal. Big clap for Beni Prasad ji.
There are two major issues confronting the world. One is of religious intolerance and the other is of political intolerance. Religious intolerance takes the form of non-secular activity in which fundamentalism leads to all kinds of aberrations. Terrorism has become a major threat and it is in every part of the world. I think that Mr. Marwa is now doing the role of St. Peter and St. Paul for this new religion.
The basic idea was that Asia, with its potential, its resources, its manpower, the human resource, is probably much bigger than any other nation or any other continent anywhere in the world. The combined potential of Asia is beyond imagination. But individual nations fritter away their resources because they are thinking of themselves. If they combine, then in that case it can become a tremendous potential.
I have been working with the organization, the South Asia Youth Forum Association, since then, and I have participated in several events organized by the Japanese Embassy and several other Asian country embassies, and I have tried to do whatever little I could do through my expertise, and we have had a healthy exchange of ideas, intellect and culture. The other thing that and probably that is something that I can carry forward and I can contribute towards this Association of Asian Union.
जहाँ पर भी हम लोगों ने इसका कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया है और मारवा जी को जो इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे यहाँ कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, सेमिनार कर रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के नाते जहाँ पर भी हम लोगों का डिफरेंट कंट्री 41 कंट्रीज में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि एसोसिएशन बनने से, एशियन यूनियन बनने से व्यापार, उद्योग, टेररिज्म सब रसूख पे बहुत बड़ी ताकत के रूप में हम लोग एशियन यूनियन को बना सकते हैं।